Hello, today we will guide you through how to log into your Facebook profile in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your business activity across Meta platforms, and it's also where you can switch or add the Facebook profile you want to use. Once the page loads, give yourself a moment to make sure you are on the correct Business Suite home screen before moving on. Next, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click Settings. This section contains your business account controls, access options, and profile-related tools. If the left menu appears collapsed or minimized, you may need to expand it first so you can clearly see the settings option. Taking a second here to confirm you're in the right area can help avoid confusion later. After that, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile. This opens the Account menu, where Meta Business Suite gives you options for managing the profile currently in use. If you already have multiple profiles connected, this is the place where you can review or change them. From the Profile menu, select Log In with another account. This option is useful when you want to access Meta Business Suite with a different Facebook profile than the one currently active. Once you click it, the system will take you to the Account selection or Login screen. On the next screen, click Continue with Facebook. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the login process. Depending on your current browser session, Facebook may ask you to choose an existing account, enter your login details, or confirm your identity with an additional security step. Just continue through the prompts as they appear until the new profile is connected. As a helpful tip, if the wrong account appears automatically, look carefully for the option to switch accounts before continuing. Also, make sure you are signing into the Facebook profile that has the correct access to the business assets you want to manage in Meta Business Suite. If access seems limited after login, it may be related to permissions rather than the login itself. And that's it. Once the process is complete, your Facebook profile should be available inside Meta Business Suite, allowing you to continue managing your business tools from the correct account.